Hello, this is Wesley with Palm Harbor Homes here in Alvin, Texas. We are in the vintage farmhouse. This is our kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen, giving you the quality of construction with the quality comfort that you expect in your farmhouse. We have many options in here, many color schemes, but just look at all of the beautiful options from the butler pantry to the large kitchen island. Totally electrified on here. We've got amenities. More options than you can pick. I mean, this is just a stack of options that we've got for the home. You need a 3-bedroom, you need a 4-bedroom, you need dual masters, you need a flex option, triple wide. This home is perfect for you. Follow me. We're going to go through this utility room where, again, we have all of the features that you need, from just little bench seats with the backpack hangers, washer and dryer. We are following into the bathroom. Large bathroom. We've got dual China lavy sinks with a vanity. We've got closet space. We've got a private water closet for the shy guys. A very large shower. I don't know how big your dogs are, but I'm pretty sure you could fit about 4 Great Danes in here. And into the bedroom, where, again, natural light is just a feature of your farmhouse. Beautiful, beautiful home. The interiors are second to none. Finally, back into the living room, your entertaining area. We've got a fireplace just built in. These are all standard. This is our package home. Hottest deal right now, everybody, inventory is in flux. The pandemic has just changed so many things about the way that we're doing business. But I want to let you know that Alvin has 4 farmhouses on order, ready to be assigned to customers. So if you don't want to wait 7, 8, 9 months, come to Palm Harbor Homes of Alvin, ask for Wesley, and we're going to get you set up right away on your vintage farmhouse with all of the options you're looking for.